Good morning. Well, it's 4 o'clock here in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We got some nice fresh snow overnight. Another up to 18 inches is in the forecast. So exciting times here. Anyway, like a kid at Christmas, I woke up because I'm gonna do my actual first run here on the Pits and Spits Custom 2000. Did my initial burn-in yesterday. Got my hopper filled with a bunch of hickory. Gonna do 2 briskets and a pork shoulder. And as you've seen from previous videos, I could probably do about 10 times that amount in here if I needed to. So we'll see how she goes. Check back in a bit. Alright, so we're back. It's a little after 5 a.m. Ambient temperature is like 25 degrees here, so these things take a while to warm up under normal circumstances, but it's this cold, it takes even longer. Yesterday with the startup, I kind of saw once it got past that like 225, it just kind of heated up real quick to the 375 for the burn-in. So my target's 225. I also have kickboxing here in a little bit, so I'm gonna actually get going. But got 2 different brisket on and a picnic shoulder here. Did some dry rub last night. Maybe 20 pounds of brisket overall, and there's definitely room for more underneath there. These are a little bit smaller ones, but we'll check back maybe once we wrap up kickboxing and see how things are going. All right, well, it's 4 hours later, back from kickboxing and errands. I was a little nervous leaving, just because you'd never know, I guess, but we trusted in the Pits and Spits controller. Everything was running great when I came back, hitting at 225. Pellet consumption was pretty good considering we got lots of snow and cold here. Got the couple briskets and the pork shoulder going. Give them a quick little flip around in the spritz and we'll get to keep going. Alright, well, more snow. Hard to tell, but lots of smoke pouring out there. Everything's looking good. I moved stuff up to the top shelf because it's getting a little higher temp than I wanted to as far as finishing the meat and stuff. So I like to get at least 12-14 hours on the briskets, and just wanted to slow them down a bit. Overall looking good, very consistent temps. See a little bit of drop when open the lid and keep it open for a while, which of course with these temperatures and, well, snow everywhere, to be expected. So, but it recovers quickly. Overall happy about that, because I'll be grilling, smoking year round. Alright, well, the snow continues. Threw on some bacon and some chicken lollipops as well. Briskets are doing well. Pork shoulder's getting there. I would normally wrap, but I'm actually going to just go ahead and not wrap one of the briskets just as a test to see how things go. Keep you posted. Looking good. Pretty good ring. I'd say she's still juicy.